So guys, recently, merong nagpa-insure sa akin ng worth 10 million. Okay? 10 million of health coverage. She already has a lot of insurance policies. Like, siguro mga 30 policies yun, no? And at first glance, you would think na, okay na. Ang dami niya ng insurance, hindi niya na kailangan. Pero nung ni-review namin yung mga policies niya, we realized most of the health benefits na meron siya were only attached as riders. So ano ibig sabihin ng riders? Add-on lang siya. So ang ginawa namin, nag-restructure kami because the truth is, many people are insured but not necessarily protected over the long term. And here's the big difference between a critical illness rider versus a permanent health plan. Kasi permanent health plan yung kinuha niya sa akin eh. So number one, the critical illness rider has limited coverage. When I say limited coverage, hindi siya forever na i-cover ka. May certain year lang na covered. But the permanent health plan, it covers you for life. And when I say for life, until 100 years old. The critical illness rider has limited illnesses covered. Usually to about 36 illnesses lang, ganyan. But the permanent health plan, it actually covers you with more than 100 illnesses. No, with Sun Life, it's 114 illnesses. So, makita mo agad yung difference niya. Usually, ang critical illness rider, it increases yung premium niya, yung binabayad mo, it increases every 5 years. But the permanent health plan, ang tawag sa kanya, level premium. Anong ibig sabihin ng level premium? Kung ano yung pinirmahan mo na nasa kontrata, yun na yung babayaran mo hanggang matapos mo yung plan. So kung tatapusin mo siya ng 10, 15, or 20 years, yun na yun. Hindi na siya tataas. Now, the critical illness rider, usually, attached siya sa mga policies natin, usually VUL or traditional plan. Ang downside nun, kapag add-on siya, it slowly eats up your fund value. Anong ibig sabihin? As you grow older, or mas lumalaki yung premium na kinakaltats dun sa actual plan mo, no? Whereas, if separated ang permanent health plan mo, hindi na nababawasan yung nasa fund value mo, kung VUL man, no? Now, in other insurance setups, kung hindi VUL yan, ang nangyayari, after mo bayaran yung 10 years, magbabayad ka pa rin ng rider from the 11th year hanggang mag 70 years old ka. Another difference ng critical illness rider, pag critical illness rider, no cash value yan. Para siyang insurance ng sasakyan, in-insure ka ni company, pag hindi mo siya nagamit, hindi ka nagkasakit, babayu ang hinulog mo. But of course, thank you Lord, hindi mo siya nagamit. No? Ibig sabihin, hindi ka nagkasakit. Now, with the permanent health plan, yun naman ang difference. Dahil ang permanent health plan, usually, meron pa yung mga dividends, meron yung bonus, meron pa siyang other cash values pa. There is something for you to enjoy, hindi lang lahat tungkol sa pagkakasakit. Something like that. Another difference is that, ito yung pinaka para sa akin win ng permanent health plan. Ang critical illness rider, no, it doesn't convert to life insurance. Anong ibig sabihin? Kunyari hindi ka nagkasakit, pero diretso na binawian ka na ng buhay. Hindi siya magiging converted to life insurance. Dahil hindi ka nagkasakit, walang claim yung rider mo. Ganun siya. Pero, with a permanent health plan, it is automatically converted to life insurance pag hindi ka nagkasakit. So in short, di mo man siya mapakinabangan sa pagkakasakit dahil napaka-healthy mo, mapapakinabangan naman siya ng pamilya mo if something happens to you. But, let's be honest, ang critical illness rider, cheaper yan. Okay? Sa ngayon. Okay? Cheaper siya for now. Now, this is why policy review is so important. Because sometimes, it's not about getting more insurance eh. Diba? Ang importante, we're making sure that the protection that you already have will still be there when life happens. Especially because the years that you usually need health coverage the most are also the years many riders start expiring. Now, if you want to learn more about the permanent health plan or if you want to dive deep into its difference, you can message your favorite Sun Life advisor or me.